Hey friends, I'm going to walk you through the Warrior series today from the Awakening Yoga. You can do this as just a quick 10 to 15 minute way to move your body. You can also stack this with the warm-up, Sun A, Sun B, then Warrior, and it would be a really great complete practice. Totally up to you, but this is meant to be a tutorial. So take a break when you need it, come out of the pose when you need to, just listen for the cues and learn a little bit more about each pose. So let's get started in Down Dog. Find your Down Dog. Press the hips high, rooting into the index knuckle and thumb pad. Draw the triceps back, biceps forward. From here, when you're ready, inhale, look forward, bend knees, lift heels. Step the right hand to right thumb. Drop the back heel, find your warrior footing. Now that can be wider for you, more like railroad tracks, if you prefer. Just find some stability here. So drawing that right knee toward the pinky edge of that right foot, pressing into the outer edge of the back left foot. Reaching through the fingertips. Can you lift the low belly and get long through the crown of the head? Commit to that front knee. Maybe bend it a little bit deeper here. Good. Feel the firmness of your foundation. Feel your strong legs supporting you in what may feel like adversity or struggle, much as the Lord does for us. When we bring our struggles to Him, He is a support and a foundation. One more breath. Good. Bring the left hand down. Find the mat. We're going to roll onto the outer edge of the left foot. Find your version of side plank here. You could support with the right foot halfway in the mat. You can stack the feet. You can even flip it into Wild Thing. Find whatever version is calling to you today. No matter where you are, raise the hips. Can you make them get higher? One more breath. Draw the right knee in toward the face. As you bring the right toes to the top of the mat where they began, drop the back left heel or finding side angle. So maybe you've got the right armpit on the knee, reaching the fingertips forward. That is definitely an option, especially if you have more range in the hips at the moment. If you want to place the forearm on the thigh, that's also available. Left hand can reach up. Bicep can come by the left ear, or maybe take a half bind to open up the shoulder. It's your practice, so you get to decide. Lots of choices in this series. That's what I like about it. And again, for the gaze, you're finding your gaze wherever is serving you today. No matter where that left arm is, we're going to raise the right bicep by the right ear. Reach out with both arms. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Reverse the warrior. Straighten that front leg if it feels good. Find some length from the front right toes all the way up to the right fingertips. Lengthen through the right side body. Really feel that side body stretch. We're going to come into triangle. So to adjust your feet to whatever spot they need to be, I find that my stance needs to be a little bit shorter. So I bump that left foot up a little bit. To set this up in the hips before we fold, let's draw that left hip forward, kind of rolling it forward as the right hip draws up and under. Really feeling the fold at that right hip crease. And then wherever your hand finds a home, whether it's the shin, a block, the mat, we want to keep the side bodies nice and long as we twist and open the heart up. See if that right collarbone can reach toward that long left edge of the mat. Great job. Can you reach a little higher with those left fingertips, making that right hand a little bit buoyant? So we're not dumping weight into it. One more breath. Good, bend into that right knee, hands come down. Three-legged dog, right heel lifts up. We're gonna come into flying splits if that's available to you, or I'm gonna demonstrate keeping chaturanga arms, making a shelf, drawing the right knee to the right elbow. And we're holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet meet at the back of the mat, move through your vinyasa, or skip it. Your choice. When you find down dog, we're gonna inhale, look forward, bend knees, lift heels, step the left foot forward to the left thumb, drop the back right heel, rise up into warrior 2. Again, find your firm foundation. What's happening with the outer edge of the back right foot? Can you firm it up? Commit to that front left knee. Good job. Stay tall through the crown of the head. Long side body. One more breath. Right hand finds the mat. Roll onto the outer edge of the right foot. Find your variation of side plank. Try to find some form of symmetry. So maybe that means taking the same version you did on the last side. Maybe it doesn't. Try to even out your body, whatever that looks like for you today. Press the hips up for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw left knee into the chest. Step the left toes forward to find the mat. Drop the back right heel and find your side angle today on this left side. Really opening up the heart. Can you find more length in the left side body? That front left knee is drawing toward the outer pinky edge side of the foot. Feeling a nice stretch in the inner thigh. Stay grounded in that back right foot. And we're gonna move into extended side angle. So left bicep to left ear, reach forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse your warrior. You can always stay in a bent knee in that front leg. Depends on what you're wanting in the practice today. Maybe you want more of a challenge. I would suggest staying bent in that knee. Maybe that's not serving you today. So come out of it and straighten. Lots of options. Find what works for you. Come back up, stack shoulders over hips. We're gonna come into triangle. So go ahead and adjust your stance however you need to. Roll the right hip forward as the left hip draws up and under, folding at the left hip crease. Left hand finds a spot to rest. Not to dump all the weight in, but just to rest and stabilize. Can you feel equal weight in both feet? What does that feel like? Really twisting the heart open. Left collarbone is trying to find a peak of the long right edge of the mat. Great job. One more breath. Bend into that left knee, hands come down. Left heel comes up into three-legged dog. Again, taking flying splits, or we're resting left knee onto left tricep. Make sure elbows are making a nice 90 degrees. Shoulders are staying in line with one another as we hold for 3, 2, 1. Step the foot back, move through your vinyasa. Inhale, up dog, if you're moving through that with me. Exhale, downward facing dog. Great job on the Awakening Yoga Warrior Series. I'll see you next time.